Hey guys, how are you everyone? If your GA4 purchase event is not showing a revenue or transaction idea or conversion correctly, this video will help you fix it step by step using Google Tag Manager. This is especially important if you are running Google Ads or Meta Ads because incorrect tracking means incorrect reporting. Let's fix it properly. First of all, you can actually set up actually GA4 event parses tag. Right now, you have to select it measurement ID, event name parses, and then you have to send parameter, the currency, below item tags, coupon, shipping and transaction ID, and trigger. You have to set up actually parses tag, GA4 parses. You have to set up GA4 parses event tracking, and then you have to go preview mode, and then you have to set up everything step by step running. After card, view card, checkout processing. And then you have to set up everything, email, currency, using everything. Then you have to set up, and then you have to now everything is clicking out. Then you have to thank your page. You have to go actually preview mode, and then you have to see using everything. GA4 beginning checkout, live GA4 beginning checkout is actually firing, and GA4 at shopping, and GA4 actually GA4 purchase event. You have to see GA4 purchase event. Actually, everything is firing permit ID and see. So if you are running paid sites and you are not 100% sure your revenue tracking is accurately, I offer a free 30-minute consultations where we review your GA4 and GTM setup. You can book your free call using the link in the description below, and let's make sure you are not losing valuable conversion data. In this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe. I post weekly video about GA4, GTM, e-commerce tracking, and server-side tracking implementation. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.